This is the beautiful home where I have lived for the last 2 years and I will be shifting. I'm a little bit sad. Actually have feelings for this tree. It has been part of so many of my photos. It has been part of my mornings when I've had my tea. I'm not sure what to say. I'm just kind of tearing up a little. But yeah, it's not even my own home and I never knew. Guys, I have cooked Maggie. Though in this house very often. आज मैंने मॉम को बोला कि मम्मी मेरा किचन फेवरेट स्पॉट है, मैं वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ. She's like, but you don't cook. How can you say kitchen is your favorite place? मैं अचानक से डाइनिंग टेबल के लिए सेंटिमेंटल हो रही थी और फिर मुझे याद आया कि ये टेबल तो आ रहा है मेरे साथ. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's episode is a little bit sentimental. This is the beautiful home where I have lived for the last 2 years and I will be shifting in another 48 hours maximum. I'm a little bit sad, little bit senti, and I just wanted to mention and honor the spots in my house where I have some beautiful memories. So guys, this was the first house I have lived in my new city, my new home city, that is Hyderabad. And well, it was, you're another person when you come and you're another person by the time you leave the home. So today's episode is about that. Let's get started. Guys, I have to mention this particular spot. Let me be honest, मेरे बॉम्बे वाले घर में बहुत बड़ा टेरेस था, ठीक है? And when I came here, I wasn't so happy with just a cute little balcony. Now, before I mention my favorite spots in the house, पता नहीं आप लोगों को relate होगा कि नहीं, but I actually have feelings for this tree. I think this is a fig tree or an almond tree, I'm not sure, but it has been part of so many of my photos. It has been part of my mornings when I've had my tea. And although the new home I'm moving to is very, very green, I will still miss this tree a lot. So this is like a special dedication to this tree. Second is, it was a tiny spot and a lot of our plants from Bombay were not growing well here because we get the sunset, not the sunrise. यहाँ पे धूप थोड़ी कम होती है. तो मैंने नोटिस किया कि यहाँ पे मनी प्लांट बहुत अच्छा उगता है एंड आई वांटेड लाइक अ ग्रीन स्पॉट. सो गाइस, दिस इज वेयर आई डेवलप्ड अ हॉबी ऑफ डूइंग मनी प्लांट प्रोपगेशन. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज मनी प्लांट एंड मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शन मिले पेरेंट्स से दैट गाइस यू हैव टू स्टॉप डूइंग दिस मनी प्लांटिंग, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है. So this was my favorite spot. I don't much read the paper. I read it just enough to know कि दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. But guys, this was the spot. जो मैंने आपको अपनी चाय के बारे में बोला, अपनी कॉफी के बारे में बोला, यहाँ पे था. एंड कोजी कॉर्नर था ये, पता नहीं. It was just one of those things. I'm not sure what to say. I'm just kind of tearing up a little. But yeah, it's not even my own home. And I never knew that कि आप अगर एक leased out house में भी रह रहे हो तो इतने emotions हो सकते हैं. I totally get it when it's a own house and people are leaving and going. But yeah, this is again beautiful sunset light we used to get. So a lot of my photos were taken in the balcony. And starting में था कि यार थोड़ा traffic का noise आ रहा है, ठीक है? It's kind of on the main road. I can hear cars. I can hear. I got so used to it that now I'm going to miss this because the new house is very, very, very silent. बहुत शांति है वहाँ पे. So this would be my favorite spot, I would say. I think. Wait, let me check till I see the other spots. My kitchen. I know. देखिए, आप में से जो मुझे अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, जो मेरे close friends, relatives, family. Now everyone knows I am not much of a cook. Sorry, that's an exaggeration. I'm not a cook. Okay, it's something that gives me stress and it's something I don't attempt. It does not mean I cannot love my kitchen because as you guys saw, we made the episodes, my tea and coffee station was this. So I spend a lot of time at home because a lot of my work is from home and there are these spots where I come chill randomly doing nothing in particular, and this was one such spot. It's like, oh, I had my coffee and tea set up here and I had my bread there and a toaster here and I could be just done with a very cute meal. Guys, I have cooked Maggie though in this house very often. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने cooking बिल्कुल नहीं किया है, but I used to just have a nice cute feeling coming into the kitchen. While growing up you have these little books where there'll be these stories about a family where they lived, and there was one tiny little kitchen with a chimney on top, smoke हो रहा है वहाँ से और soup बन, पता नहीं, I used to have a kind of picture of it, and every time I came here I got that feeling. So there was a warm, cute, fuzzy feeling. Also, of course, I have a beautiful, brilliant cook who makes the best food, but I associate that food with this kitchen. It's like, oh, this is the space where it was made. This is the space from where I got my parathas and dosas and everything I ate. Dining है वहाँ पे, but there were times when I couldn't, अगर भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है तो मैं यहीं पे आके खा लेती थी. क्या? So that's the reason I want to mention the kitchen. आज मैंने मॉम को बोला कि मम्मी मेरा किचन फेवरेट स्पॉट है, मैं वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ. And she said the same thing. She said, but you don't cook. How can you say kitchen is your favorite place? So in defense of all the people who don't cook, I would like to say you can still love your kitchen, even if you're not much of a cook. Moving on to the next spot, which we'll find out right now. So guys, pretty self-evident that this is the dining room. Yeah, sounds pretty simple, but of course, again, every corner holds a memory, right? तो एक तो एक psychology होती है, especially if you're an actor or a blogger or an influencer, and I kind of do all three right now. So guys, यहाँ पे मुझे सबसे अच्छी लाइटिंग मिलती थी. ये टॉप लाइट है जो बहुत ब्राइट है, और ये लाइट है जो किचन के विंडो से आ रही है. So lot of my pictures that I have shot, lot of the reels I used to make, lot of blogging that I've done is from here. That being said, actually बहुत ही फनी चीज हुई, मैं अचानक से डाइनिंग टेबल के लिए सेंटिमेंटल हो रही थी और फिर मुझे याद आया कि ये टेबल तो आ रहा है मेरे साथ, because it's new and a lot of work went into selecting it, so I don't need to feel sad about the table. I'm just nostalgic about this place because this is the spot where I've had some of the most beautiful meals at my home, sitting right here with my family. And yeah, this is technically, I think, the center of the house. तो पुराने घरों में एक कोर्टयार्ड का सिस्टम होता था, राइट? लाइक यू हैड द हाउस बिल्ट ऑन द कॉर्नर्स एंड द सेंटर वुड बी दिस ओपन स्पेस. आई यूज्ड टू गेट दैट फीलिंग हियर. आई नो इट्स नॉट लाइक अ कोर्टयार्ड. आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गेट दैट फीलिंग, एंड दैट इज अबाउट इट. Now that I know the dining table is coming back with me, I'm not so sentimental about this spot. I'm sure I'll find a light spot in my new house also. So guys, that was me sharing my sentiments and my attachments to my current home. And yeah, in under less than, I guess, 48 hours, I will be in my new home. So while I'm a little bit sad to leave, I'm also very, very excited to move into the new space. And well, we will be shooting our packing and moving, which will be tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to giving you a tour of my new home as soon as everything is set up. But till then guys, if you have any questions, comments, या तो अगर आपको tips चाहिए about packing and moving, because I'm kind of a professional now, please feel free to write in the comment section down below. Till then, take care, bye bye, God bless.